Hey guys, welcome to my next haul. So this haul is going to be themed on a clothing swap that I went to. So here in Los Angeles, there is an abundance of clothes and not as much money as there used to be in film and TV anymore. So as a result, we are getting creative here in terms of how to give away our clothes and also acquire some new clothes. So if you guys remember my spring cleaning haul, I found a bunch of items in my closet and then I asked you guys what I should keep, what I should sell, and basically a lot of those items I ended up taking to this clothing swap. So I didn't necessarily sell them, I didn't get any money out of them, but it did allow me to bring an entire bag of new clothes home. And today's haul is going to be themed around those magical items I was able to take home with me. So I'm not currently wearing any items from the swap. I picked this opening outfit out because I felt like it fit the theme of like California, late summer, late spring. The seasons kind of blend into each other here in Los Angeles. But yeah, why don't you guys stay tuned to see what items I did manage to pick up from the clothing haul. Alright, so a fitting first item from my clothing haul. It doesn't really look like I changed my outfit at all, except for like covering up my entire chest area. This vest is actually one of the last items I picked up from this clothing swap, so it's kind of fitting that it's the first one I'm gonna try on. It's kind of a unisex, larger style, which is why I wanted to try it on with these shorts, since these are a pretty classic look. I think it's about time I put some boots on too, just to give myself a few extra inches. Okay, wow, if I wanted to look like I was like about to go apple picking in the fall, this would be a great outfit. This color scheme is definitely screaming foraging in the fall. I don't know how much use I'm gonna get out of it this summer, but I wanted to try it on with this vest because, like I said, I think the vest there's a conversation going on outside, it's okay. I think the vest would be cute layered, so this would be the full fit. I've also got my boots on now. Yep, so how adorable. Alright guys, so up next in my clothing swap haul is this adorable tank top. This still had a couple tags on it when I found it, so lucky me. I actually don't wear a whole lot of these like bandeau tank tops, but I think this one fits me quite nicely. So kind of a win for me, if you ask me. Let's see it with the previous jacket that I was wearing. Oh my gosh, super cute. I like this better than the vest that I had on for sure. I would wear this out actually. You know it's a good outfit when it makes the outer shirt look better. Am I right? Or am I right? So if I haven't mentioned this before, I just want to give them a shout out right now. So the items I will be trying on in today's haul are from a clothing swap with Rebuilding Women LA. I have some of their merch somewhere. Yeah, I totally had this ready for the haul. No, I'm just kidding. So here's their logo and their merch, and I can also give some information in the description box below. Basically, it's just a social club designated for women, and that's fun because there's a lot of competition here in LA, and sometimes when you're like me, it's nice to be surrounded by a bunch of girls with like a little bit less competition. And obviously, they are the bringers of all my amazing stuff I will be trying on for you guys today. So that includes this. This is from the clothing swap that I went to from them. And my next item that I'm gonna show for you guys, this cute little knit. So this knit was one of the first items that I picked up. I saw it and I was like, okay, that is my style. I will be grabbing that real quick. I love this color. It's so beautiful. It's so gorgeous. It actually looks amazing on, which I wasn't expecting. I was like, what if it looks like a 4-year-old would wear it when I put it on? But it actually doesn't. It looks like Kind of looks like a rich grandma would wear it, right? This outfit needs a little bit of jewelry though, I will say. So here's my full next look. I'm kind of obsessed. I added this necklace from my Navajo Gems Route 66 Southwestern Jewels video. Do you guys remember that one from a couple months ago? So here is that necklace out and about with this new outfit. I think it really completes this look, if you ask me. Slay or total slay. All right, well, let's see what else I have for you guys coming up. Hey guys, welcome back to my clothing swap try on haul. You may recognize a couple of these items I'm wearing from the fits you just saw, but if not, here we are, fully clad out in clothing swap items. The newest item in this outfit is these adorable white pants. I'm pairing them with white cowboy boots today. I think it's because my pouch is showing. Pairing them with white cowboy boots today for this full, pretty casual look. I would totally wear this around the streets of LA, not gonna lie. I think it's cute. I think it's got the right vibe of casual, not trying too hard, but still looking styled, put together. Brown matches my hair, the blue matches the necklace and my eyes, and the white matches my pale ass skin, so perfect. All right, let's see what else I have for you guys. So here's that look with one different undershirt. I just wanted you guys to get an idea of what this silk satin top would look like with a slightly more dolled up shirt. This shirt is actually not new, but it is a cornerstone of the outfits I'll be trying on today, so I wanted to give it a pass. It also is in my current collection of clothes that I've been wearing out and about, so I figured it was okay to include. But yeah, right now I'm styling it with this silk top you guys saw earlier and these white jeans. Both of these are from the clothing swap. So cool. Which item do you feel like I should try on next? How about, since I got the blue shirt out, how about I bring out the main reason for the shirt today? I picked up some blue spandex at the clothing swap. So why don't I go ahead and see if these fit with my outfit? Surprise submission. So next up is actually going to be this white cardigan. This is also from the clothing swap. And it looks so cute with this white outfit. Now, of course, wearing white on white on white is probably not a choice that I would make unless the dress code was like wear white. But I have already worn this cute white cardigan out. And I just think it's so cute and it's super comfy. So I wanted to just wear it as long as possible, I guess. But no, up next, I'm gonna get a little less comfy and I'm gonna put these spandex on and then we won't have a white on white outfit anymore. Wow, well, next up in my clothing swap haul, I've got two amazing clothing swap items in this outfit. First up, this gorgeous white knit cardigan, so cute. The sleeves are a little long, which is great for me because I have like weirdly long arms. Like this is a thing, like my arms are longer like compared to my body than most people's arms.
That's quite big.
In high school and stuff, because how they would do the dress code is like it had to touch your fingers. So like my items had to be longer than some other people's, but it's also like I also have really long legs. So like I guess it ended up being a fair length. But yeah, like I didn't get dress coded a lot, but I did a couple times because I have really long limbs. This gorgeous blue on blue outfit like matches so well, which is amazing because I got them at completely different times in my life. I've had this shirt for a while. And these spandex are from the clothing swap with Rebuilding Women LA. Buying spandex secondhand is not my favorite thing to do, just because a lot of ladies like to wear spandex without underwear. So I'm not an idiot. I will be wearing these spandex specifically under underwear until I'm able to get them washed a couple times to my liking. But until then, I will probably still wear them with underwear until I'm confident that my juices have replaced any old juices, but honestly, they still are feeling pretty tight. And I do feel like spandex gets worn out pretty easily, so these couldn't have been worn like more than 5 times. If I had to put a number on it, that's what I would say, a handful of times. I am thinking this outfit is really coming out to be a win. I have potentially 2 more dresses for you guys. We'll see how many I end up including in the haul. But if I don't see you again soon, I hope to see you back on my channel at the Illy Babe again soon.